Hello, hello. Welcome to the CT Blueprint, your crash course for new technologists, where you learn some really amazing 101 stuff as you are navigating your CT training. Super excited that you're joining me for this course. This course is going to be excellent. It's jam-packed with a lot of information. So make sure you get your pen, paper, your coffee, and your headphones, your AirPods, whatever it is, and let's dive in. So this is an introduction to this course. So I'm going to give you a breakdown of everything we're going to learn. So first of all, if you do not recognize my face off of social media, my name is Karina Hogan. I am a registered CT technologist and an X-ray technologist. I have a bachelor's degree in radiological sciences. I have 22 years of CT experience as a technologist. I've worked in various hospital and outpatient settings. I currently work at a level 1 trauma center. I've worked in the outpatient setting for many years. I've worked at a community hospital, acute care hospitals, you name it, I have done it. I'm also a mom of 3 daughters. Two of those daughters are special needs. So being in healthcare really helps with the diagnosis of one of my daughters, which is super helpful. I've also trained and educated many techs over the years, so I do not gatekeep any of my knowledge. I want everybody to be the best tech they can be. So let's just continue getting into it because I have a lot of information to go ahead and go over with you. Now, who benefits from this course? So people who benefit from this course are technologists that are interested in CT. You're transitioning from X-ray, nuclear medicine techs that need the CT basics, CT technologists with less than a year of experience, want to enhance their skills, don't know where to start, and technologists that feel lost and need guidance in their training. So this is all the aspects of what you need to know and how we're going to target technologists that are new and need help. So let me give you a little course overview here. So in lesson 1, I'm going to give you an intro to computed tomography because sometimes when you come into CT, you may not have experienced it. You may have heard it, but never experienced it. In lesson 2, we're going to go over some CT equipment and components. Lesson 3, we're going to talk about radiation safety and dose optimization. Lesson 4, we're going to talk about patient care in CT. Lesson 5, it's going to be CT image acquisition and parameters. In lesson 6, we're going to talk about contrast media and injection techniques. We're not going to dive a whole lot into it. I'm just going to give you the core basics to it. In lesson 7, we're going to go over a little bit about CT anatomy and pathology basics. In lesson 8, it's going to be advanced CT applications. Lesson 9, we're going to do troubleshooting and problem solving in CT. And to wrap up this course in lesson 10, I'm going to give you some tips on preparing for the CT registry and some career pathways. So this is the intro to the course. So stick with me. Like I said, get your pen and paper, get your coffee, get your AirPods, your headphones, whatever it is. And let's dive into lesson 1. So I will see you in that lesson.